Ever wondered how our ancestors cultivated their food and flowers without modern technology? They relied on age-old sustainable gardening techniques, methods that were often more organic than many of today's practices. They mastered the art of crop rotation to replenish the soil's nutrients. They crafted terraces on hilly landscapes to prevent soil erosion, and they understood the value of composting, turning waste into a rich soil conditioner. Imagine a world where these ancient techniques were the norm, not the exception. Crop rotation isn't a new concept. It's been around for thousands of years. Our ancestors cleverly alternated different crops in their fields each season, a practice that not only kept the soil fertile, but also staved off pests. By changing the type of crop each year, they avoided depleting the soil of certain nutrients and broke the life cycle of pests or diseases. This ancient yet sustainable practice is still relevant today. So the next time you rotate your crops, remember, you're practicing a time-honored tradition. Ever seen those stunningly beautiful terraced fields or wondered about the magic of composting? These techniques, honed by our ancestors, are not only practical but sustainable. Terracing, a strategy used by ancient civilizations to cultivate hilly terrains, can help us manage sloping gardens today. And composting, a time-honored practice of recycling organic waste, enriches our soil with vital nutrients. By integrating these ancient techniques into our modern gardens, we can enhance their productivity and beauty. As we can see, old methods can teach us new ways to nurture our gardens. Enjoyed this journey through the annals of ancient gardening? If you found value in this exploration of time-honored techniques, show your support by giving us a thumbs up. And why not subscribe? You'll gain access to a treasure trove of content, ripe with insights you can weave into your own garden tapestry. Imagine the past meeting the present in your backyard. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and join us next time as we dig deeper into the roots of gardening.